In this lecture, we will cover counting words, lines, and characters. We can use the WC command to count lines, words, and characters. WC stands for word count. Let's look at an example. If you type in WC command and then type in the file name, for example, /etc/profile. Profile is the file. If you run a WC command on profile file, it will show you number of lines, number of words, and number of characters or bytes. Let's look at that example through the terminal so you can have a better idea. So if I type in WC, that's the command we're going to use, and then the file name, which is etc/profile. File name is profile. Hit enter. As you can see, we have 76. This first one is the number of lines. The second one is 252, that's number of words, and then 1795 is number of characters. And that's how you can run the word count command. Now there's some options you can use with this command as well. For example, if you only wanted to see just the lines of how many lines there are in a particular file, then you can just use -L option. Just to count the words, you can use -W option, and to count the bytes or the characters, you can use -C or -M option. So let's look at that through the terminal as well. So if we run the same command but with -L option, hit enter, it will show you there are a total of 76 lines. Let me clear the screen. Now let's look at some of the other options as well. We've already tried WC -L option. Let's try the word option, and then let's try to see if we can just count the words and the bytes or the characters, and then we will confirm if the results we're seeing are correct. So let's run WC -W option on the same file. Hit enter. Now it's showing us total number of words that are in that file. And if we run the same command with -M option, it will show us total number of characters, the character count. Now let's run that command again to see if all the lines are being counted correctly. So if we run WC -L again, it's showing us total number of lines in 76. Let's confirm if it's correct. Let's run the command cat -N on the same file. Hit enter. What cat -N command does, it shows you all the lines with numbers. As you can see, there are a total of 76 lines, and it shows the lines as well. So the command we ran with WC -L on the same file also shows us the same result. So you can confirm it that way. Without running the cat -N command, you can just run WC -L to see how many lines are in a particular file. And this covers counting words, lines, and characters. I hope you learned something useful in this lecture as well, and I'll see you in the next one.